Want to make over $100 per day using AI tools? What if I told you that AI could do most of the work for you while you sit back and collect the cash? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that are making people thousands of dollars every month. And the best part? You don't need any experience. Stick around till the end because AI tool number 5 is the easiest way to earn passive income. Let's get started. AI tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up, we have ChatGPT, the AI tool that can write anything for you in seconds. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or even entire ebooks, people are making serious money using ChatGPT. Here's how. Go to openai.com and sign up for free. Offer writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content in seconds. Deliver the work and get paid. Earnings potential. Beginners charge $10 to $50 per article, while experienced AI writers make $100 plus per project. Pro tip: combine ChatGPT with Grammarly to enhance content quality and increase your chances of getting repeat clients. Tool number 2, MidJourney. If you love graphic design but don't know how to design, AI has got your back. Introducing MidJourney, an AI-powered tool that creates stunning digital art in seconds. You can sell AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy for digital downloads, Redbubble and Teespring for AI-designed t-shirts, Adobe Stock and Shutterstock for stock photos. How to start? Join the MidJourney Discord server, midjourney.com. Enter a prompt like futuristic cityscape digital painting. Download and refine your AI-generated artwork. Upload and sell it online for passive income. Earnings potential. Many sellers on Etsy make $500 to $5,000 per month just selling AI art. Pro tip: use Canva to add extra design elements and make your AI art unique before selling. AI tool number 3, Pictory.ai. Ever wanted to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? Then you need Pictory.ai, an AI-powered video creator that turns text into professional quality videos in minutes. Here's how it works. Copy and paste a script or blog post into Pictory. The AI automatically finds royalty-free videos and images. Add AI-generated voiceovers or upload your own. Download and upload to YouTube for passive income. Earnings potential. YouTube channels using AI-generated videos are making $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Pro tip: focus on finance, business, or self-improvement niches to get higher YouTube ad revenue. AI tool number 4, Synthesia. Next up, let's talk about AI voiceovers and spokesperson videos, a huge demand in 2025. With Synthesia, can create realistic AI-generated voices and avatars to sell voiceover services on Fiverr or Upwork. How to start? Sign up on Synthesia.io. Choose an AI avatar and voice. Enter your script and let AI generate the voiceover. Sell professional voiceovers and explainer videos to businesses. Earnings potential. Freelancers are charging $50 to $200 per project, and businesses are paying big for AI-generated video content. Pro tip: offer AI translation services using Synthesia to reach global clients and increase your income. Tool number 5, DALL. And finally, this is an AI image generator by OpenAI that creates unique artwork, logos, and designs in seconds. Offer AI art commissions to small businesses and brands. Earnings potential: top AI artists on Fiverr are making $2,000 plus per month selling custom AI-generated art. Pro tip: use DALL.e plus Photoshop to refine your AI-generated images for premium pricing. So, where can you sell AI-generated content and services? Here are the best platforms to make money with AI. Fiverr and Upwork offer AI content writing, graphic design, or AI voiceover. Etsy and Redbubble sell AI-generated art and digital products. YouTube and TikTok monetize AI-generated videos. Shutterstock and Adobe Stock upload AI-created images for passive income. Bonus tip: combine multiple AI tools to create even more profitable services. Example, use ChatGPT plus Pictory to make faceless YouTube videos. And there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make $100 plus per day. Which one are you most excited to try? Comment below. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for weekly money-making strategies. See you in the next video.